In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 best affiliate marketing programs for beginners, and we're getting started right now. Hey, Thomas Garrett's here. Thanks for tuning in. So if you're new here, before we get started, what I do on this channel, it's everything ClickFunnels, affiliate marketing. So if that's the kind of content you like, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell too so you get notified every time I upload. And if you're kind of like, I don't even know what ClickFunnels is, I'm just getting into affiliate marketing to begin with, I'll link up above to a ClickFunnels playlist, and that'll tell you everything you need to know about it. And there's tons of videos in the description as well. You can check those out after this video if you'd like. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to get into those 7 affiliate marketing programs. So they're going to be in order of what I place them from worst to best, so to speak, right? But I think they're all pretty good options, especially if you're just starting out. So first, we're going to go right here, and this is JVZoo. And it's pretty much just digital products, and they're not like really well-known products. Like you're not going to find Adidas and stuff like that on JVZoo. These are pretty much just like people's products that they're putting on here. And you can see right here, like you've never heard of any of this stuff, right? And that's fine. It's just not the place I would go to promote personally because I think there's better options, but a lot of people are killing it with JVZoo. So you do your own research. This is just one of the many options out there. So that's number 1 out of 7. Number 2 is probably like the most recognized one. It's ClickBank, right? If you know anything about affiliate marketing, you've probably heard of ClickBank before. And the reason being is because they've been around for such a long time and they have tons and tons of products, right? Again, mostly digital, but you can see all their categories right here. You can make them bigger and then go into like subcategories of that, right? So it's super simple. Let's just go into one real quick. Let's go to e-business and e-marketing. Let's just click affiliate marketing. So you can see right here, super affiliate system, John Crestani's auto webinar funnel. If you've never seen John Crestani's YouTube channel, he's super good at this stuff. He's been doing it for a long time. You can see there's a gravity score of 61, which means it's selling like hotcakes, right? So that'd be a great product to start with. And you can see right here, average sale, $519. So if you want to promote it, you just go to the affiliate page right here. And this is going to be all the information on the affiliate program. It's going to tell you how much you make, the price, all that stuff, right? So then it's going to just tell you everything you need to know. And it says right here, how to promote. If you'd like to promote the super affiliate system, sign up as an affiliate using this form on the page, create a ClickBank affiliate account. If you don't have one, decide how you would like to promote us. Super simple. So that's number 2 out of 7. This is the third one. This is the only one I've never actually signed up to, so I don't personally know much about it, but I've heard tons of great things about Flex offers. So we're going to go to affiliate programs. And then just for example, let's click on business office solutions, right? So you can see they have tons of like well-known brands on here like Inkfile, Dell, Comcast. So they have some really well-known brands on here. So this is a great option. And that's pretty much all I got about Flex offers. I personally, like I said, I don't know much about them, but I've done some research into like the best affiliate networks or programs, whatever you want to call it. And this one kept coming up. So this would be a good place to start for sure. Like I said, JVZoo and ClickBank, those are some good options, but it's hard to find a really good product. On ClickBank, John Crestani's super affiliate system, I would say would be your best bet if you're in the affiliate marketing niche, right? But you have to kind of pick which niche you're going to be. Like, obviously, you're not going to promote super affiliate system if you're into health and fitness. So obviously, that's the first step. But yeah, so besides that, that's pretty much it for Flex offers. So that was number 3. Now on to number 4. And obviously, you know about Amazon, right? But if you didn't know, they have an affiliate program and it's called Amazon Associates. And once you're signed up and approved, you get this little thing at the top of Amazon, right? So what you can do is you can click on, let's click on this deal of the day. We'll click on this fireplace right here. And then you just click right up here, you hit text. And this is your shortened link, or you can use the full link, but you obviously want the shortened link. And you grab that. And then let's just go to an incognito tab and we'll paste it. And you can see right here, right there, my name is T Garrett's, right? So that's my affiliate link, T Garrett's-20. Okay, so that means if someone buys this after clicking that link, I'll get a percentage. And Amazon is great. Obviously, they have every product you could think of, right? The one downfall about Amazon is it's physical products. And with physical products, your percentage, your commission is going to be much lower. Like it's somewhere between 1 and 10% is the highest on Amazon. So it comes with its obviously positives and negatives, of course, just like anything else. But Amazon's great. You can promote every single product. A lot of people on YouTube, this is like their main income stream because, for example, they review headphones or review a camera. They're going to have an Amazon Associates link to that camera or those headphones, right? So super great way to get started. Amazon is amazing, especially if you're doing YouTube. It's like you almost need to be an affiliate for Amazon. You don't need to, but it's a good start. So anyways, that's what is that, number 4? So number 5 is ShareASale. And ShareASale is amazing. They have some really, really well-known brands. Look at that right there. NBA Store, MLB Shop, you know, and then let's just go down. Let's go to Preview Merchants and we'll just click something like this. All programs. Look at, so they got Inkfile on here, Northwest, Smiles, Sunbasket, My Pillow, Weebly. They got a ton of Fanatics. Wow, they got everything on here. Reebok, you know what I mean? So they got a lot of well-known brands on here. And I use it for things like Tailwind. There's a few things that are specifically on ShareASale that I couldn't find anywhere else. So this is one of my favorite. And yeah, so that's ShareASale. And then number 6, this is one that a lot of people don't talk about. And I don't know why. This is Impact. And they got so many like top brands on here. It's insane. So they got Adidas Australia, ADP. They got bodybuilding.com, Bowflex. This is insane. They got so many that no one else has, right? So it's really crazy. And then you can also just like go to categories. Let's go to computers. Let's see what they got there. They got Dell on here, Lenovo, Microsoft, Logitech, you know what I mean? So they got a ton of insane brands on here that you're not going to find many other places. I don't remember which one had Dell. Was that FlexOffer? Anyways, you can find some of these on different marketplaces, obviously. But yeah, for me, what I use this for is I used it for TechSmith, which is like Camtasia, my video editor. That's the only place you can get onto their affiliate program. And then Namecheap. And you can get on Namecheap a few other places, but I already had an Impact account and it was the easiest for me. So obviously you got to sign up for the affiliate program in Impact as well. Anyways, just so you know, but I love this one. There was, again, like on ShareASale, affiliate programs on Impact that you can only get on Impact. So that was 6. This is 6 out of 7. And the 7th is obviously my favorite one. So drum roll, please. And that is ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels, like I said at the beginning, that's partly what my channel is about, affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels. I love ClickFunnels. It's the best software in my opinion, and it just has so many positive things about it. The affiliate program is only one of many, and a lot of people look at it the wrong way, right? They look at it as like a business opportunity, right? Like they just want to promote ClickFunnels affiliate program and make money. They don't look at it as like the greatest marketing tool of our time, right? And that's not me saying that they have a bad affiliate program. They have one of the best, if not the best, affiliate programs on the market for plenty of reasons, right? So for one, you get 40% commissions and it's recurring. So think back to like Amazon, right? Where the most you can get is 10%. That's the most. Typically it's around 1, 2, 3, 4%, right? And then that's just one time. With ClickFunnels, you get 40% commissions and it's recurring. And another thing that I didn't really mention about some of these other programs, some companies have like a 7-day cookie or 30-day cookie, right? So what that means is when you click on an affiliate link, you get cookied. It's basically like you're linked to me for X amount of days, right? So for a 7-day cookie, if you clicked on my affiliate link, for 7 days, if you click any other link on that website, I will get a commission. Okay, so that's kind of how that works. But with ClickFunnels, they have a sticky cookie where it means they're stuck with me basically. So for example, if I am promoting a free book, that's probably a lot easier to buy than a $2,000 product. Because the book, all you got to do is pay for shipping, right? But if you click on that affiliate link to buy the free book and pay for shipping, you're cookied to me. So then let's say 2 months down the road, you're into ClickFunnels, you love the community, you love the software, and you buy one of their $2,000 products. Now you're cookied to me because you bought that book through my link. Okay, so I'm gonna get paid even though you buy that 2 months down the road. Okay, so it's super powerful. And this is just one of their many products that they promote. This is Russell Brunson's second book, Expert Secrets. So if you've never read either of his first 2 books, those are the best in my opinion. He has more, but those are the most important if you're just getting started, especially. The first one is .com Secrets and the second one is Expert Secrets. And the link to those will be in the description down below. But how it works is it's more than just a product, right? It's an offer. And the way ClickFunnels has been created, it's to make a funnel so you can upsell and just make way more money on average than just selling one product. Like think back to like normal e-commerce websites, right? You buy one product, you're done. That's it. So if you were just to buy a book for free and pay shipping, all I would get is $1, right? But after that, you go through a funnel and upsells are put right in front of you. And after you put in your credit card information to pay for that shipping, all you have to do is click one button to add it to your order. So that's why it's super powerful. So let's say someone goes through this funnel and they only get the book, right? That's fine because now they're cookied. Anything they buy with ClickFunnels, you're gonna get a commission. However, let's say they go through and they buy every product. Look, they get the Expert Secrets book, they grab the black box, so they get the other books and all that stuff. They get Storytelling Secrets, they get the audiobook bonuses, the Expert Secrets Evolution System, and then they get the Funnel Builder Secrets at the end on the thank you page, right? What you could make from that is $927, all from just promoting a free book, right? So it's super powerful. And obviously that's not recurring. What's recurring is like the software and stuff like that. So I don't want you to get confused with that. This is a one-time commission, obviously, because they're not just gonna keep buying this stuff over and over again. But the software is what's recurring. And that's what you really wanna get people into, but you have to get them into their world to start. It's a lot harder to sell someone on a $97 a month plan when they know nothing about it, right? So you kind of got to get them introduced into the world and teach them and help them and provide value to get them to go to that ClickFunnels monthly payment, right? And the nice thing about ClickFunnels that I didn't mention, once 100 people have signed up for ClickFunnels using your affiliate link, they will pay you monthly for your dream car. $500 a month. If you have 200 people signed up through you, that's $1,000 a month. You can afford any car you want, right? So that's just another added bonus. So if you want to learn more about it, I have a free training that I built on ClickFunnels, and that'll be in the link below. I'm not going to take time to show you this. This video is getting a little longer than I thought, but I'll link up above to a video I did about that training I made. It's just a complete done-for-you system, and it teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels, how to make money online using those, and it's super, super simple. Right? So it's called the Simple Affiliate Training. So anyways, I'll link up above here to my ClickFunnels playlist, and I'll link up above here to my affiliate marketing playlist. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, hit this button here. And then if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.